Hello and welcome to today's podcast. Today, we will learn the top 50 most common English sentences that you can use in daily life. These sentences are simple, useful, and perfect for beginners and A1, A2 level learners. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to use them in your conversations. Let's get started. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is John. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Egypt. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. What do you do? I'm a student. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm happy. I don't understand. Can you help me? Yes, of course. No, thank you. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Thank you very much. You're welcome. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Where's the bathroom? I like this. I don't like that. What's this? It's a book. How much is it? I want to buy this. Let's go. Be careful. Don't worry. It's okay. I agree. I disagree. I love you. I miss you. See you later. Goodbye. Have a nice day. What are you doing? I'm watching TV. Do you speak English? Just a little. That's great. I'm learning English. Thank you for listening to today's podcast. We hope these 50 common English sentences will help you speak more confidently every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on the notification bell to get all our new content. See you next time, and keep practicing English.